All right, so hey, this is JD and FIA. I want to show you a move you can do for traditional gospel songs. We're in the key of D flat here. All right, D flat is our 1, E flat is our 2, F is our 3, G flat is our 4, A flat is our 5, B flat is 6, C is 7, back to D flat. All right, so we're coming off the 6, all right, coming down to the 5 minor, all right. Then we're gonna go to that 1, a 1, 7, all right. Gonna get to that 4, and then we're gonna go to that flat 7 chord. All right, and then we're gonna walk it out. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to do this real quick. All right, so first we're coming off the walk down from the 6. All right, so I have a B minor. First I have a B minor 9 chord, left hand B flat, right hand A flat, C, D flat, F. All right, we're gonna take it down a half step. All right, to the A, all right, on my left hand. So I got A and A. Right hand, I'm just moving the thumb from from A flat down to G. All right, so I have A, and in my right hand I have G, C, D flat, F. All right, then I'm gonna go to a minor 5 chord. So it's gonna be an A flat minor 9 chord. Normally a 5 chord is major. In this sense, we're playing it as a minor. All right, so I got left hand A flat. Right hand, I'm playing G flat, B flat, B, E flat. So boom, boom. All right, and then we're gonna walk it up. B flat, B, C, and when I hit the D flat, I'm gonna go to bring the G flat down to an F. So I'm not doing much movement in my right hand. So on that chord I have D flat, and right hand I have F, B flat, B, E flat. All right, all I did was move the thumb down from G flat to F. All right, then I'm gonna keep walking up, E flat, E, F. Now I'm gonna play my G flat chord, my 4 chord. And this chord, this time I'm gonna play it like this: G flat, D flat on my left hand, right hand A flat, D flat, and B flat. You can add the G flat or you can add the F, depending on what you want. All right, so we got all together so far. All right, and then we're gonna take it down to my B7. All right, my flat 7. So left hand B and B. Right hand I'm playing A, D flat, E flat, A flat. And we're gonna bring that A flat down to G flat. All right, then, all right, so D flat major, A flat, D flat, and F on my right hand, with A flat on my left hand. Walk it from the A to the B flat, keep the same chord on the right hand. So, go to the D, all right, play an E minor 7 chord, E minor 11, I guess, left hand, E flat minor 11, sorry. Left hand E flat, right hand G flat, A flat, B flat, D flat. All right, that's my 2. Go down to my 5, keep the same chord on my right hand, G flat major, with an A flat in the left hand. All right, and then when I go to my 1, just drop down to D flat major, D flat, and then F, A flat, D flat. So real slow. so it's a lot of repeating. All right. Another thing I did, instead of just walking like this, when I got here, I walked down and play that chord to get to my 4. All right, so. All right, and that's when I'm gonna play that major 7 chord. All right, so that chord off the G, I'm walking down from the B flat, A flat to the G. All right, however you want to do it. And when I hit that, then I'm hitting the chord. All right, G, B flat, D flat, F. It's like a G half diminished 7. All right, so we got then the rest of it's the same. All right, so both of those up to speed. Or all right. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.